Looking for the perfect streaming box? Today, we're breaking down the LibreELEC versus Core ELEC. Both turn your device into a powerful media center, but which one should you pick? Both are simple operating systems built around Kodi. They're super light and boot straight into your media center. No extra stuff to slow things down. LibreELEC works on many devices: Raspberry Pi, Intel computers, and some Logic boxes. It uses newer Linux code, which means better long-term support, but sometimes slower updates for specific hardware. Core ELEC only works on Logic chips. Think Android TV boxes with chips like the S905 or the S922X. It uses older but very stable vendor code that's tuned perfectly for these chips. Hardware support is the biggest split. LibreELEC supports Raspberry Pi 4 and 5, Intel computers, and some Logic devices. Core ELEC only Logic devices, but it does them really well. Video quality also matters. Core ELEC shines here with amazing picture processing and smooth playback. It handles 4K, HDR, and even Dolby Vision on certain devices. LibreELEC is catching up, but still has some gaps on Logic hardware. If you have an Logic box, Core ELEC usually wins here. Better hardware control means smoother video, perfect audio pass-through, and fewer playback issues. LibreELEC excels on Raspberry Pi and Intel hardware. It's the go-to for choice for those platforms with solid community support. Got a Raspberry Pi or Intel device? Go with LibreELEC. It's designed for those and works great. Got an Logic box? Core ELEC is your best bet. Better sound quality, better video quality, smoother performance, and rock-solid stability. Want flexibility to switch hardware later? LibreELEC gives you more options. Both are excellent and free. Your choice depends on your hardware. Core ELEC dominates Logic devices. LibreELEC covers everything else. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.